So I live on a dead-end street, and anytime Amazon or UPS, mainly Amazon, comes, I end up with this. This guy was actually stuck in my yard. It was clearly Amazon. He was in a white truck with an Amazon vest. Got out, walked around. So the plan today is to put up a board fence just to encourage people not to do that. So I'm just going to set up a time lapse and set 3 posts and 3 boards across on each post, and we'll have a nice little fence, and then we're going to paint it. Should turn out nice. Alright, there's our first post set. That'll be our center post. We're going to have one over here and one over here. So that'll be nice. It's set back enough to where people have some room to turn around if they need to. I mean, this is a pretty big space for people to turn around. We have a no trespassing private driveway sign, but people ignore it. So we're going to put a little water on the concrete, let that all set up. And then we'll start measuring for the other one, which is going to be about 8 feet over there, and then another one about 8 feet over there. And we got some quick setting concrete, so we'll go ahead and let that set up, and then we should be good to go. So there you have it. There's the completed fence all painted. You're gonna have to stay tuned and see if it's Amazon, FedEx, or UPS who tears up the fence first. Place your bets. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Stebbins Garage. Take care.